Worried about the HotStart User Agent DLL causing further system corruption? I'm Sophie Chen, a Windows support engineer. Here is the verified path to a healthy Windows installation. Before we begin the manual steps for HotStart User Agent, you can access a utility designed to help provide a clean system environment. This is the HotStart User Agent, the Windows HotStart User Agent. It manages the unmanaged orchestration of applications launched via the HotStart hardware buttons. It facilitates the data link between motherboard button events and specific application manifests. With that context in mind, our first logical step is a clean reinstallation. This error typically indicates corruption within the Windows system core. I recommend launching command prompt with administrative rights and running sfc/scannow to automatically replace missing or compromised files, such as Hotstartuseragent.dll. Should the file remain missing after a reinstall, we need to ensure that the operating system is forced to re-index its shared library paths. A system reboot is a reliable way to clear away zombie processes that might be interfering with HotStart User Agent. It's a low-impact step that ensures your operating system is starting with a synchronized environment. Before you restart, please bookmark this video or click the like button so that it's waiting for you in your library for the next step. With the restart confirmed as ineffective for this instance, let's analyze the registry settings next. If you need to pause the video while navigating the registry editor, feel free. Since a standard reboot didn't restore the system manifests, we need to perform a deep repair of the Windows image. First, open command prompt as admin. Second, you're going to type dism/online//cleanup-image/restore health, then hit enter. Why are we doing this? Well, this forces Windows to download a fresh master copy of the system manifests from Microsoft servers to replace corrupted source files that SFC can't fix on its own. Before concluding, I want to address a critical security consideration for maintaining your system's integrity. Keep in mind that HotStart User Agent DLL must be properly registered with the Windows registry. Simply dragging and dropping the file into a folder rarely fixes the root cause of the error. To ensure your system remains within verified parameters, you might choose to use an authorized maintenance path for ongoing support. If configuration alerts are present, the official maintenance tool below outlines general guidance for HotStart User Agent. Thank you for trusting us with your system repair today. For more configuration tips and HotStart User Agent error resolutions, don't forget to like and subscribe.